friends, I just got a really good question from a listener that I think a lot of people want to know, and that is, she's seen the ads online to make your own will on some of those websites, and she wants to know, will that give you a legit legal form? And the answer is yes, most of them do. I mean, obviously, like lawyers, not all websites are equal. So read the reviews, make sure that people have actually had good experiences with the one you picked, and then pick one that has a will for your state, because state law matters here. So always be on the lookout for that. But what I'll say about that is those are really for people who have the simplest of estates. If you have any complicating factors, if, for example, you have kids by someone other than your current spouse, or if your spouse does, or if you are an owner of a business, if you have large debts, if you own property out of state, all kinds of complicating factors, those are something you should really discuss with a lawyer, because what those forms generally don't do is give you any kind of personal legal advice. Not only won't they do that, they also won't tell you, be careful, you have to sign this, and it's helpful to have witnesses, somebody who can say, yes, this is really the person's signature. You'd be amazed how many wills are invalidated because they can't prove it was actually you who made it. One thing one of those websites also can't do is help you through the probate process. It's all well and good to have a will where you say what your wishes are, but now you need somebody actually to take it to the court to make it so, and not having any advice on how to do that is really hard. So it's very helpful to have a lawyer who can advise you on all of those things. For the simplest of wills, it's probably fine, but one thing you don't want to do is be penny wise now, pound foolish, which will come back to bite your beneficiaries later.